Do you want to know what is the best time to buy your hosting from Hostinger? Then this is the right time, because right now Hostinger deals are going on where you can save as much as up to 95%. So what you have to do is to simply click on the link in the description. Once you click on exclusive discount link, you will be landed over here, and here you can claim up to 95% discount, making sure that this is the right time to buy your hosting from Hostinger. And all of the plans by default come with 30 days money back guarantee, which makes again Hostinger a preferred hosting company, which also tells you that this is actually the right time. So now look around first of all on their reviews. Let's see what people are saying regarding Hostinger. So let's see some of the recent reviews. Reliable service, 5 star, 5 star, 5 star, 5 star, 5 star. So you can see that all of them are praising Hostinger from their for their primary services, which also make sure that this is the best time to buy your hosting from Hostinger. And now Hostinger's multiple features including Hostinger Horizons, which is an AI tool. Hostinger supports WordPress. Hostinger has a migrate to Hostinger, where they're going to migrate all of your website from other hosting company. That to free of cost. Now coming on to the plans, and now I'm going to tell you how you can save as much as up to 95% discount. Okay, so some may see over here three plans, some may see over four plans depending upon your location. Hosting a specific location based deals as well. Again, this is valid only for my audience, for those who click on the link in the description. So make sure to enjoy this time deal is to click on the link in the description. And now by default, these are the three most popular plans, but you may see four plans as well depending upon your location. If you ask me which one is the best one, I'm using the business plan, and this is the best plan. But for the first time I use a premium plan, and from the second time onwards I'm using business plan, and both plans are very good. My recommendation is to offer the business plan where you can save the maximum amount of money, and I'm going to tell you how you can make it up to 95% discount. So again, make sure to click on the link in the description and use as of the coupon code. So once you select the choose plan, now you are being moved over here to get your amazing discount. So what you have to do is to select your billing period. Hostinger by default offer you 4 billing periods, and right now this time the deal is amazing. So I want you guys to take the maximum advantage of it by opting for the 48 months, but these prices won't appear again, so which is why I'm saying 48 months. But you can also select other plans as well depending upon your budget and needs, but again these are special exclusive prices, which is why I'm emphasizing for 48 months, so you can save the maximum amount of money on Hostinger. After you select your billing period, you can claim a free domain right now by writing over here, or later on through the Hostinger control panel. Now at this time, before you move anything over here, see your order summary over here. You're getting daily backups, free extra months, free domain name. And now I'm going to select I have a coupon code and write this amazing coupon code. You can find this coupon code in the description of this video, along with a special discount link. Once you apply over here, you're gonna see that your price got a further discount on already running discount deal. Now there is another coupon code as well. You can use either of the coupon code to get this amazing deal this time. So you can see your price got a further discount on already running discount deal. So 30 days money back guarantee is loaded right now. See, everything is right to avail this deal this time. And now simply select the continue over here and move on to the last part. You may be asked to create a new account at Hostinger, need to synchronize with the Google account to move on to the last part. And here you see your order summary, and before you see, now this is again a special exclusive deal, limited time for my audience. So now write your billing details over here and move on to the last part. Hostinger offer you variety of payment methods, guys. You can pay by credit card, you can pay via PayPal, Google Pay, Apple Pay, Alipay, and CoinGate. So guys, you have variety of payment methods to enjoy this time deals. So you can choose as per convenience. For instance, if you are using credit card, simply select add a new payment method, write your credit card details, and simply select the submit payment. As soon as you select the submit payment, within few minutes you're going to get an email from Hostinger with all of your account details. So just for a revision, right now this is one of the best time to avail Hostinger deals, because right now special deals are available for my audience. So what you have to do is to simply click on the link in the description, use either of the coupon code, and follow this tutorial to get the right time deals from Hostinger. So good luck with the hosting from Hostinger. Good luck.